Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with Beauty Forever and they got us on the Kinky Curly vibe. Now you guys already know anything Kinky plus melanin is already gonna set the tone for something super fire. Today they sent me over this beautiful Kinky Curly wig and she has like that nice perfect cut where it's much longer than a bob, but it hugs and kisses the shoulders and the chest for that perfect look for spring. You guys know we're bringing out the tank top. We're bringing out the chest a little bit, the sundresses, and this is the perfect length to be able to show that back out detail in all of your styles. I'm going to be doing a very simple, easy, straight to the point install today. This one is going to be very beginner friendly. The product we're going to be using today is a mousse, and this one is new to me. It has a beautiful peppermint and tea tree like scent to it. So if you're into that like earth vibe, it's going to add amazing notes to your fragrance and your chemistry of the day. We did go ahead and open up the party and add a little bit of baby hair just to, you know, add our own little twist. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Before I forget, this one fits 100% glueless. So I'm going to take my rat tail comb and show you guys. You can literally slide the rat tail under and lift, and she is glueless. As flawless as she looks, she's glueless. Okay, love bug, I'm super excited to hit you with some curly hair. Today I've teamed up with Beauty Forever. They sent me over this beautiful curly wig. It's giving all of the vibes, and then you also have that beautiful pre-everything lace. You have your pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and the pre-plucked hairline. And look at how beautiful that looks. All of it, even the scallop cut at the hairline. If you flip it to the inside, you'll see this is a nice closure wig, but it's gonna fit nice and snug and give you that glueless illusion. Here is the nape. We have a larger comb, and we also have the adjustable straps, which I'll adjust in just a moment. And then we also have the adjustable and removable elastic band, which also is a great option to help the wig fit a little bit more glueless. I like to push mine somewhere in the half, like a little bit less than half, if you will. And that usually is like my center. And then of course, I will adjust it tighter or looser if needed. But we're gonna go ahead and put her on and get started on the install. Okay, so this is what we are looking like on. Here's a close-up of the hairline. You can kind of push her back and you can see very flat and glueless install. She literally fits me nice and snug, and then she also has the perfect hairline. If you want to switch up the parting, you definitely can do that as well. You can see here, she would be gorgeous as like a nice side part. All of the above would work with this one. So I'm not gonna waste any time. We're gonna go in, and first of all, you wanna make sure that your wig cap, if you're wearing one, is far enough back. We apply the lace melting spray, and then we begin to work that in. You guys know me, you don't necessarily have to have baby hair, but I like to have some kind of action going on in the front. From there, we're gonna go in with our mousse. Today, I'm trying a different mousse to me, and this one here is from Red by Kiss, and this is the Style Fixer Foam Mousse Maximum Shine Wrap and Frizz Prevention, and it has tea tree and peppermint. I seen it when I was shopping for competition, and I thought I had to try it. It definitely smells like what tea tree and peppermint should smell like. Now let's give it a try. So far, so good with this one. We did get hot and heavy with the product. So I think what I am going to do is I'm going to open the hairline up with a little bit of edge control. That looks really good. That looks amazing. Let's go ahead and tint the lace. We use shade 15 first, and we're going in with shade 16. Okay, love bugs, this is the look. I kind of went ahead and just made it super natural and kept it all the way with its natural state. We did try a different product today, and this one here is the foam mousse from Red by Kiss. You guys seen this was a brand new bottle. This is how much I used. If you don't want to use this amount, I would highly recommend you moisturize or wash the hair first. You can even add like a leave-in or a cream product before you add the mousse. That way you'll only need a little bit, but this is the result. I absolutely love the curl pattern. It looks very, very nice and natural. Here is what she is looking like from the back. I love the density and the fullness on this one, as well as the beautiful curl pattern. This one most certainly is giving Black Barbie. Feel free to like add your own tapered cut to it. I'm not an expert with that, so I don't want to ruin the look and the vibe. So that's something that I would wait to. So that is something I will wait to do when the wig gets a little bit older, so I can, just in case I mess it up, I can already have a nice wear out of it. The hairline was absolutely beautiful as is, but I did open it up a little bit with lace tint as well as some baby hair. The parting is gorgeous, and the icing on the cake is that this was a almost put the wrong thing, a one product install. The only exception was we did use a little edge control. You can for sure use this as an edge control as well and just use a wig pen, but the ends we did no dynamic duo. We did it all with the product, and it's gorgeous. Okay, you know we can't leave out here without a quick 1-2. What would this one look like in an up to? I don't know if I've done a one with a curl pattern this tight and curly before, so let's just see if we can make it do what it do. Now with this one, you can take and you can just pull those two strings forward like that, twist it, make sure you have all the hair gathered, please hold. And still a vibe, right? Super gorgeous. Okay, love bugs, we have the hair roasting under the melt belt. We just did a super quick reinstall. Absolutely gorgeous, a 10 out of 10 when it comes to this hair. Now, I'm not a girl who knows how to layer hair, so I could be really making a mistake, but YOLO, YOLO. So I'm not good with layers, so I'm gonna leave it there. I did add like some face framing bangs, and this is the look. Now we can go ahead and style her up really quickly and easily, but I do want to remind you guys that this one is a glueless fit. And we did add a little bit of melting spray just to go in and add that like seamless. You guys see how flawless the hairline is, and I want to show you guys that you can literally go under and the wig is not bonded down and she still looks super melted. Absolutely amazing. Also, if you're someone who likes to switch it up, this one definitely is very easy to restyle in different ways. You can definitely do a half up, half down, or two quick and easy like pigtails. Super simple and easy to achieve. And just like that, we got a fun new hairstyle. We went for the half up, half down. And as you guys can see, super simple and easy to achieve. The hair is nice and full and natural, so it looks good. The hairline is still nice and flawless. And if you want, you can go ahead and tint the lace even more. I find that whenever I like reinstall my wig, like I take it off and then I put it back on, a lot of the times I'll look at the lace and be like, oh, it's perfect, it doesn't need anything. But in camera and flashback, you may feel like you could have just touched it up a little, so we'll do that just to avoid any error. Okay, so this is styled as a beautiful half up, half down. The hairline is still flawless. It's still giving natural even from the side. Even with the baby hair, everything looks flawless. Now let's get back into the rest of the video. Before we head out, here is the packaging from Beauty Forever. I love the maroon burgundy color because you guys know that is the trending color of the season, but this is their staple color. And they give you this reusable tote. Great thing to just already have, so that, you know, when you gotta grab stuff and organize stuff, lunch bag, dance mom bag, all of the things. This is the box that the wig was in, and then inside, this is the bag that the wig was nice and defected and packaged in for your like disinfected safety, I guess you would say. This one here is 20 inches in length. And then also we got some goodies. So we did get not one but 2 packs of the HD wig caps. Really nice. We also got a pack of the wig tape, and this is a whole sheet, so you have plenty to be able to continue to like reinstall your wig if you are someone who likes to bond your wigs down. We also got a melt belt from Beauty Forever, and this one here has that same ideal theme color. And then here we have a pack of press-on nails, and they're that white coffin. Super fire. I think they're matte. These are super fire. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. This was a very simple, easy, beginner-friendly install. You'll be able to do this one at home yourself with just a few simple and easy products. I'll have everything I use listed and linked in the description box. And of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beauty here down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.